So, yeah, I wonder who remembers camping. I mean, it's been a while. But if we can get out of this lockdown, and if there's anywhere left to book up, because everybody's doing staycations, we're going to go away. Yeah. So before we can go camping with the beautiful Kira, who's keeping an eye on us again, we've got to move a few things around. So let me show you what we have to do. Come on, Kira, out you come. Not been anywhere since last year. This is the longest we've ever been stuck in the garden again for the second lockdown. Let's hope this nonsense is over soon. I'll show you what we have to do to go, because it's a little bit tricky. The setup that we've got here means that we have to move Annie. Okay, so get the sun out of our eyes. She hasn't been started since last year now, and some darn fool left the handbrake on, which stuck at the back a little bit. I'm going to be honest, we did cheat. Well, I did cheat a little bit, because we took the plugs out and I cleaned the points just to make sure everything seemed okay. So let's have a go. So let's turn the ignition on. Make sure she's in neutral. A bit of an accelerator down there. Oh yeah. Oh, that was very good, Annie. Solvent badge. More period. Let's have a look. Just doing okay. The battery's been on trickle charge. That's quite healthy. I will check the water, but I've checked it recently. All we need now is somewhere to go. Tend to forget what you've got in the boot. Oh, that's a nice period sticker. I forgot to put that there. It looks good. Yeah, camping equipment. And a chair to sit on and an umbrella, because it always rains in England. And a first aid kit. And I usually put rags in here for cleaning purposes. The little gaps make perfect little hidey holes for a bit of cable. And that cable there runs to the front. If you can see here, that's for a 12-volt battery, which I sit in here sometimes and use it for, because it's only 6-volt, and I use the 12-volt battery fully charged, and that will last me a while. And that I use for sat nav. Bit of fuel pipe just in case. And some, I think there's some bulbs in there. Let's have a look. Yeah, bulbs. Emergency light, because nobody can see you. Let's see if the trafficators are working. Right then, Annie, do your trafficators still work? Let's flick the switch. Oh, yeah. Kind of work, don't they? Yeah. Okay, that's that one. Shall we flick the other side and run round? Alright then, let's have a go. Oh, it's working, but there's no light. Where's your light gone, Annie? Well, considering it's been in storage for, well, since last year, since the pandemic, I want to take it around the block really. She's not doing too bad. That's where I put my camera in. The pinnock. Right then. And yeah, her first time out in the sunshine. I think it's our first time out in the sunshine as well. But she's doing pretty good actually. She started more or less first time because we cleaned up the plugs, and I think we should go for a drive, to be honest with you. A little bit bumpy. There's got to be all the traffic in the world as soon as I come out, isn't there? Flipping heck. Here comes one. Here comes. This is what it's like driving in bloody Birmingham now in the 21st century, 2021. Oh, I'm only going round the block. This is just a local round the block, isn't it? You know, it's like the motorway. First trip in 2021 is looks like it's going to be a success. All cable brakes all round on this. No synchromesh first. No problem. No synchromesh, no problem. Got a nice smile off the van driver there. Yep, slide her in. I think the next place we're going to go to is definitely got to be the beach, hasn't it? That's the Isle of Wight, I think that one is. But yeah, she hasn't done too bad. A little bit messy. Oh, now what? Why have you got to come? Why has everybody got to come out? There you go, the Lone Ranger. Yeah, I think everybody's trying to get out today. So that's us all nearly ready. Now the cars are moved. She can come out now. And we're really looking forward to going camping. But the one thing I've got to look at, I must admit, is how much is camping in 2021 going to cost us? Because I can well bet they've put up all the prices, and I can well bet that everywhere else is going to be quite full as well. But let's have a look. Just checking. I mean, everything's been in sort of like a standby situation for so long with the pandemic and the lockdowns that obviously luckily we've been able to keep our eye on it out here, and we've had no leaks. We was getting leaks down the back here, but that's secured now because we've got a seal in between there, and that's dry as a bone now. So let's hope the next view from this window will be the beach. Here's to camping in 2021.